Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In last lecture, I teach you about an array multiplication and matrix multiplication. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about a script files. Script files is nothing but just a combination of commands in MATLAB. You can type as many commands as you want to and just execute it. And the main benefit of script file is that while in command window you can run only one command at a time, while in script file you can write as many commands as you want to and just run it simultaneously. And the main purpose of script file is that when you are running any command repeatedly, continuously, at that time you can just type a command in script file and run as many as time you want to run that command repeatedly. So this way you can save your time and efforts. So a script file can be created in three ways. First is by using edit command. Type edit and type the script file name, whatever you want to give it. Here I am going to give it addition. So here script file is created. A second way is from new and script file, and here it is created. While when you create a script file from new, you want to save it by Ctrl S and you want to give a name. While using edit command, it doesn't need to do all this thing. It automatically everything is done, because by using edit command you already give a name to the script file. And the last way is by using shortcut key Ctrl N, like this. So here let's close both of them because there is no use of them. I already created one script file for you clearly, and I am already using from many lectures. It is a combination of clear and CLC command. And as we know, clear will clear the workspace and CLC command will clear the command window. Let me check it. First create type something random. So is equal to 5, b is equal to say 8, and c is equal to b minus a. And first save the workspace. Let's give it name my work. And here it is little bit slow. So here my work is saved. Now let's execute script file clear A, and there are three ways to execute. First, by typing the name of script files like this, and here everything is gone. Now let's load this workspace again, and here it's back. And the second way is by from run button. Hit the run button and you go. Again everything is gone. And third way is by using shortcut key, and it is F5 like this. Whenever you want to run script file, always be careful about that you already opened in current folder here. If you doesn't open script file in current folder, then it's not going to generate any script file. Sorry, not going to run any script file. Okay, so here in addition file, I am going to create a one script file in which I am going to do addition of two matrix, subtraction of two matrix, matrix multiplication, and array multiplication. So let's do it. Let's say a is equal to x, and I use semicolon, suppress the output. B is equal to say y. Then here this asterisk symbol represents that my script file is not saved yet. When you hit Ctrl S button, it's going to save it like this. Now say c is equal to a plus b, d is equal to a minus b, and e is equal to first array multiplication, so dot and asterisk symbol. F is equal to matrix multiplication, so only asterisk symbol. Now create any two variables. So here I am using semicolon operator. You can just type it, but it is tremendous and just waste of time. So this is quick. Let's give name as y, and here you go. Now let's first save it script file. And if you are using MATLAB version 2014 or advanced version, then there is no need to save the script file. When you hit the command window, it automatically save it. But if you are using MATLAB 2013 version or older version, then you need to save it. So do as work as per your version MATLAB. Now run addition file, and always remember that script file is going to use variable from workspace. It's going to affect workspace, and the workspace variable affect is going to affect script file. So always be careful about it, because if you do any mistake, then script file is going to replace that variables. Now this script file do addition, subtraction and array multiplication, but it generates error while doing matrix multiplication, and reason behind is that the inner dimension of matrix A and B are not same here. Let's bring the matrix A and B first. Here left hand side matrix is A and its column number is 5, while right hand side matrix is B and its row number is 2, so its inner dimension is not same. Let's create one more matrix. This time I'm going to create a matrix, square matrix. So this time inner dimension is going to be same, right? And let's use a rand operator for this, and give limit up to 25, and I'm going to create a square matrix of 3 by 3, and here give it R. Now just replace the variable Q and R. Save it. And you can run. So this way you can just save your time. So in this lecture I teach script files. So here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.